There is shortcut, but it costs a lot. It really costs a lot later on. In first time it is not going to like come how it cost, but later on it takes a lot. That lazy path, that easy path, that choosing shortcuts. Yes, there is like figuring out fast. Yes, I will consider myself figuring out fast, but I'll not rush. This is a mistake, that rushing just for figuring out. This is not the thing that has to be repeated. And I can say that there are many basic and fundamental things. Not many. There are few basic and fundamental things that that is going to help my characteristics hold so so tightly that it will not allow myself to fall, even if the things is out of the situation. But the characteristics that has been builded, those those will help to just go uplift. And this is the thing that I have to do. Yes, obviously, viewers. So I want to say that like working on fundamental and basic things, because this is the only things that is going to help one individual to just make it whatever it needs, whatever the things is just required. I can speak up to myself not rushing towards those shiny objects, whatever, those easy path. I'll consider myself being real every day and trying to just chase those characteristics that I need, those fundamental and basic things that is going to help. And there are many things that is beside fundamental and basic things, and that comes under those fundamental things, and that merges under this. So that is the thing that I'm learning how to just figuring out those fundamental and basic things and working upon that things. Like what, like for example, what is the basic things for human being that required to just to be real, and that is hu- humanity. like uh, being real, that one. Humble makes a person not to think so high in terms of any materialistic view. And it has many kind of definitions. And it is the only basic and fundamental things of human being, humanity, humbleness. And there are many things those things I have to work upon these things. So that's the game. I'm on my way, bro. Just join, bro.